Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Juicy YM Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Christmas in July. Next week's theme will be tropical. So whatever interpretation of tropical that you would like to have, please enter it into our hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Also enter that into Saturday Morning Makes, or hashtag Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. I'm also entering into another collab hosted by Civil Bee, and that is hashtag Christmas Crafting. And I am using this adorable little ginger here, and I got it from maybe KS Crafts or something way back, a few years back, but that's the ginger that I am using. And then from my creative time, I'm using this peppermint candy die set. So I'm using all of its layers. And then the glimmer of the month, the poinsettia spray, I'm using Holiday Cheer. And here goes this adorable little tag that I created. I just love how that little gingerbread turned out. I did use some jelly roll for her eyes, just to ink that up, and put some freckles on and a little bit of blush on her cheeks. Really cute. I did use glitter paper for this, and I popped up the peppermint part of that little peppermint candy. Really cute. I thought the holiday cheer was just perfect. Love this. I thought I would get ahead on making some tags. I used quite a bit last year, so you'll probably see quite a few tags going on for the Christmas in July. But left myself some space for the back part to write who it's going to. And yeah, so that's about it. I love this little ginger, just super cute, and put the little holly leaf on there. Adorable. But if you have the time, please make sure you enter into our collabs. That's hashtag Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. Hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself and the other two girls. And also, if you have the time, enter into Sybil B's hashtag, which is hashtag Christmas Crafting. And so that's about it. I'll have everyone's links down below, so make sure you join in. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.